Hi there, it's Yaroslav, and today I'm gonna talk about cold email outreach, specifically about forwarding your secondary domains to your primary domain. If you do cold email outreach, never do it from your main domain, right? You always do it from your secondary domains. And also, to achieve better deliverability, you never put any links, any images, or anything like that in your email copies. And if you do so, how then the recipient can make sure you are who you are, and if interested, check some additional information like your website. So if they type your sending domain in the browser, they should see your website. Otherwise, it will hit your credibility level, it won't add any trust, and most probably this email will go to spam. So what can we do here? The easiest and the most common way that many marketers do is using DNS forwarding. But you should never do that, because Google and Microsoft can easily spot the connection between all of these domains, as they will share the same IP address when you use DNS forwarding. And if any of these domains get screwed, all of your domains will get into trouble. So instead of using DNS forwarding, there is a smarter way, which is masking proxy. And you should do masking proxy to redirect your secondary domains to your primary domain, or make your website available at your secondary domains. There are different ways of doing this. If you buy your domains from services like Mailscale, they do it for you out of the box. Otherwise, the easiest way of doing this is using service emailguard.io. It's an amazing service where you enter all of your domains and mailboxes, and it will check your SPF records, DKIM, DMARC, check your deliverability, but most importantly, they have this domain masking proxy. If you're gonna use it, you can use this code to get a discount. Yet, if you have a lot of domains, it can become pretty expensive. But don't worry, there is a much cheaper way of doing that, and that is Cloudflare. It's a bit harder to use, but once set up, it will save you a lot of money. And I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare for proper domain forwarding in the next video. So like and subscribe, click that bell button, and see you in the next one.